Hi everyone, welcome back to Undesign Craft channel. Today we're diving into something super special, Doraemon amigurumi. This is a throwback to one of my favorite designs from many years ago, and now we're bringing it full body. From his adorable round head to his little legs, hands, signature pocket, bell, and even the cute little tail. Isn't he just the cutest? This video is exclusive for my channel members, so if you want the full step-by-step walkthrough, tips and tricks to make your Doraemon come alive, this is your backstage pass. Already made his head before? Now it's time to complete the whole body and see him in all his glory. And that's not all. If you prefer written instructions, you can also grab the pattern on my Ravelry. It's perfect for following along at your own pace and making sure every stitch is just right. So, grab your 4-ply cotton yarn, hooks, scissors, and stuffing tools. Let's crochet this lovable blue robot cat together. Don't forget to share your creations with me. I love seeing them come to life.